I am Gitanjali and we, the students of class 8D, are going to present today's morning assembly. A day without prayer is a day without blessings. With these beautiful words, I would like to call Keinjal for the prayer.
Father, we thank you for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair.
Thank you, Keinjal. The universality of a custom is a pledge of its worth. I would like to call Sanskriti for the pledge.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
Now, let's know what's happening around the world. On the occasion of World Youth Skill Day, Theta youth that come up with animal-saving ideas. Seva International raises a help of $30 million and also airlifts medical equipment to help India fight COVID-19.
July 15th is celebrated as the World Youth Skills Day. Now why should young people have skill-based training? Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the Indian nation, advocated the need of educating children in a skill-based system so that they would be skilled and employable after their education.
Wisdom, strength in which to depend. This said, it's never just white or black. To youth that all discretion lack, age the willing and desirous to play. To youth's vitality must passion give way.
Now I would like to request Drishti for the speech.
Thank you, Gitanjali. On this day in 2014, the United Nations General Assembly declared 15 July as World Youth Skills Day to celebrate the strategic importance of equipping young people with skills for employment, decent work and entrepreneurship. Inspiring, educating and developing youth is an integral part of this day. The theme for 2021 is to celebrate the resilience and creativity of youth throughout the crisis. The goal of this day is to achieve better socio-economic conditions for today's youth as a means of addressing the challenges of unemployment and underemployment. It is a great recognition for the youth to make them believe that their opinions too can do wonders to the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Drishti. That was very motivating. So now, let us take a look on the skills of the students.
So now let's have some of the fun activities.
So now, if boys and girls, are you ready for the fun activities? So the first activity is guess the riddle. And the riddle is, I'm a 5-letter word. If all my 5 letters are available, I'm a talent in you. If you remove my first letter, I will die. If you remove my first 2 letters, I will be sick. Who am I? That's excellent. Amina and Gauri, both of you have given the correct answer. Now let's move on to the second activity. Now we have a few rounds of unscrambling. Let's see whether you can these two. A hint for you, all the words are related to skills. So the first one, let's see if you can unscramble the first one. Excellent, Shipra. Your answer is absolutely correct. Gardening, which is a skill for the youth.
The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice.
At the end of the day, remind yourself that you did the best you could do today, and that is good enough. Thank you everyone for joining. Now, you all may join your respective classes.